Hey everyone, it's Ashley. Welcome back. This wouldn't be one of my videos if I wasn't starting it with a disclaimer. So my first disclaimer is I'm sorry that my makeup looks like crap. I literally only have on lip concealer, a tiny bit of mascara, and some brows. My LASIK consultation is tomorrow, so I will find out if I can get out of these glasses, until I need readers. And the second one is I'm sorry if the lighting is a little bad. I noticed in my last video in the intro where I had my glasses on that the ring light was just really blaring in my glasses. So I actually have it on as low as I can. So if the lighting is bad, I do apologize, but I didn't want to blind you. So because I'm in glasses and doing makeup is definitely really hard, I'm going to do an unboxing or an unbagging. I'm going to unbag the Ipsy Glam bag, March 2019 bag. This guy retails for about $10 and change, including shipping and tax and everything else. In the past, I've done side-by-sides with the Play-by-4 box. Let me know if you like those better, but for today, I'm just gonna unbag this guy. Okay, so already outside of the bag, we have two products. Oh, and the first one, I'm so excited. It is by Sol de Janeiro. It is the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. I love this stuff. I actually got like a little jar of this in a Play-by-4 box and I used the whole thing. So I'm so excited to have another one of these. The second thing that is out of the bag is by Ciate London. It is a lip luster and this is in the shade Kiss Me. It looks like it's maybe a gloss. It smells like a gloss, like not bad or anything. So let's just swatch brew on my hand. Yeah, so that could be like a topper or just a gloss all on its own. Super pretty, not mad. Wow, I'm so sorry about this crappy lighting. Maybe my next video, I'll just do it without my glasses on blind. Okay, now we finally get to the bag. And the bag is a rose gold and it says, "And off she went to change the world." Very cool. So, first thing I touched inside the bag is from Skyn, Iceland. It is the limited edition Berry Lip Fix with Wintered Red Algae. My lips are awful. I exfoliate them so much and it still doesn't matter. They just peel like crazy. So this comes out white. And ooh, it's nice and thick but not sticky. And it smells like berry but not very overwhelming. Next by Tarte is the Maneater Mascara. Love this mascara. I am a mascara whore. And I really like this brush because not only is it long, such a long brush, but it's rubbery and I feel like it just separates the lashes really, really well. Ooh, we have a brush by Slmissglam, which I can never pronounce. This is the short shader brush. So it's like a flat definer brush, but it's fluffy. So this will be really good to blend out your lower lash line or even do like a smoky liner. And from Estate, we have what's called Dew Me, D-E-W, Baked Highlighter. Ooh, so here's what the packaging looks like. Yeah, it's super pretty. It's like a pink, which I'm all about. Oh wow, it looked not so good on my finger, but on my hand here, like right here, using my flashlight app, it's super, super shiny, so pretty. And then last from IB Beauty, it's IBY Beauty. It is a Lush eyeshadow called Get Soaked, and it's like a nice maroon eyeshadow. Okay, so I just remembered this. If you did not get the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream and the Ciate London Lip Luster, these were add-on items. So Ipsy sends an email like 2 weeks before the bags go out and there are add-on items that you can add. Some are a little more higher end and they're like maybe $12, and then there's smaller ones like these two and they were $3 a piece. So that explains why these were outside of the bag, because these are not normal glam bag products. As for the rest of the bag, the other 5 items, the only one I'm really not excited about is the eyeshadow in Get Soaked, because I don't really like singles, and I mean, although this is a pretty color, I'm not going to swatch it. I feel like I can get this in a different palette, so this is going to be donated. But everything else I really liked, specifically for this time of year. The lip fix, definitely need that. Love, obsessed with eyeshadow brushes and mascara. And a highlighter that is my shade, I absolutely love. So I don't think this is a bad glam bag. Granted, it's not the best one I've ever had. It's definitely not the worst. This one's kind of middle of the road. The add-ons made it so much better. So as I say every time, if you are looking to try out the Ipsy Glam bag, this month isn't a bad one to try. All right, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Now go have yourself an awesome day.